Well, good morning, everybody. I'm coming outside the yard this morning to take a look at what's going on in my house. Having some renovations done, and they started yesterday on my siding. See what they got done here. Got the dog out there. Hi, Scout. How you doing, boy? So they got this side all torn off. I got new garage doors already. They're there. Got the roof done. So they made quite a bit of progress yesterday. They got that whole side off, all old. Walk around here towards the back. You see they're still working on the back. I'm gonna take that fence down today. Cut all these hedges back. So I'm getting all new hardy plank siding. There it is there. My hand's shaking a little bit. It's 40 degrees out here. So yeah, they got all that off. Well, not all of it. They're stripping it. You can see up there the bare rafters. They got that off today. So yeah, I'll come back later. They did the roof a couple weeks ago. All these hedges I'm going to cut today. Cut the ones out front. So yeah, we'll be back later with some more work. All right, back for a little update video. Guys been out since 8 o'clock this morning, making pretty good progress. Real good. Got all the back torn off, all that done. Working on the top up there. Going good, real good. Putting all new hardy plank siding on the house. Gonna do the side all the way around. It's a big job, but I got the right guys to do it, so that's our update for now. I'm gonna do a little cleanup on these hedges, and I'll be back later. All right, so we're at the end of day 2. They've got the all the old siding torn off the back. They've just about got finished wrapping it. They replaced all the damage. Had some damage up there. They've repaired all that. Took down all the trim around the fireplace and everything. They're doing all that. There was quite a bit of wood damage. My house had this old pressed board siding on it from back in the late 70s and 80s that was recalled everywhere across the country, and my house still had it on it. So everything's getting replaced. All new corner boards going around the fireplace and everything. That'll all be cleaned. And one thing I will say, these guys must be a little heavy-handed with their hammers, because I didn't notice it yesterday, but I went upstairs today, and in my bathroom I noticed some stuff on the floor that shouldn't have been there, and I got to looking. I was like, well, how'd that get there? And then I looked, and I said, well, it must have just been banging from the wall. Vibration fell off. And then I looked up at the wall, and there was a hole punched in through the wall. Basically, up there by that, up in there was a hole punched right through the wall into the bathroom. And then I said, well, shit, wonder if that happened anywhere else. So I went and looked, and in the shower area of that bathroom there was some damage. And then all the way down the end, upstairs in my daughter's room, the wall was banged out in a couple places up at the top. Like I said, that's inside the house, right through the drywall. So, like I said, I don't know if they're a little heavy-handed or what happened, but they said, no problem, they'll fix it, repair it. So yeah, that's where we're at on the end of day 2. I went today and I bought some new lights to put outside the house, around the garage door, the rear door. I had my roof replaced a few weeks ago. They did. That hedge, that's not the hedge I trimmed today. There's some hedge around the front of the house that needs to be trimmed so that they can get back to the house itself. So I did a lot of that. I'll show more of that on the next video. So we'll end this one here, and hopefully tomorrow, I'm sure tomorrow they'll have the other side done. They'll have that all finished up back there, and they'll make their way over to this side, which that won't take long. So yeah, we'll catch you tomorrow. Have a good evening.